Hi, transformation. You know, this word transformation has become so much part of my life over the last couple of months. In fact, over the last about, I would say, 4 to 5 months. And it is not just a word now, it's become so much of part of my being that I live it out almost regularly as part of my life. And it's become a very precious word, transformation, the word transformation. And what is transformation? Transformation is not just merely changing a few habits of yours or changing a little bit of your lifestyle. Transformation forms part of the core of your being, of who you are, and what you are supposed to be. You know, why is transformation necessary? I asked myself this question a couple of months back. Why is it that I need to be transformed? You know, over the years, we as human beings have conformed ourselves to an image that we are actually not. Circumstances, and how is it that we get ourselves conformed into an image that we are originally not? We go through various circumstances and situations in our lives. I call them events. We go through various events in our lives and we allow those events to create meaning in our lives. And very often the meaning that we give those events are not who we really are or not how we are originally made. But because of the events that are so strong and they are so powerful in our lives, we start giving meaning to those events and we conform to an image that we really are not. And that is why we need to seriously think about transformation. Transformation is not to make you a better person. Transformation is to make you the person who you are originally created to be. We have to learn to transform the conformity of the image that we have created into the image that we really originally are. And that's why transformation is so powerful and it is so important. And that is, it's so crucial that we recognize that I want to transform, not because I want to become a better human being. I need to transform to become into that image that I was originally created to be. I feel sometimes very amusing. In fact, I used to say that for myself many, many years ago, this is how I am, this is how I think, accept me the way I am. I mean, really, if you look at your life today, if I ask you this question, what is the state of your being today? What is the state of how you feel about life? Maybe you're depressed, maybe you're struggling, maybe you're frustrated, maybe you're sad, you have a very low countenance of yourself. Honestly, is this what you originally are made to be? Ask yourself this question. Maybe sometimes you are struggling in life as an individual. You're struggling to be a good husband, or you're struggling to be a good wife, or you're struggling in terms of being successful in your business or in your job. You're struggling as a parent, or you're struggling as a child. I don't know what are your struggles, but if you look at your life and you will see that, yeah, I'm struggling in these areas. And do you really believe that is what you are originally created to be? Are you originally created to be a person who is struggling, who is sad, who is depressed, who is not finding success in life? Is that your original self? I don't think so. I really don't think so. But how are we like that? Why have we become like that? Because we have conformed ourselves to the meaning that we have given life, and we have conformed ourselves to an image that we were really not made to be. And so therefore it is so important that we take our transformation very, very seriously. And that's what my coaching program is all about. I went through this process in my life a few months back. I realized this is not what I'm supposed to think. This is not how I'm supposed to be thinking. This is not how I'm supposed to be behaving. How did I start thinking like that? How did I start behaving like that? I mean, you ask yourself, how did you start thinking like that? How did you start behaving like that? It's because we have conformed ourselves, or maybe you have conformed yourself to an image that is not your originality. And you settled with that image, and you feel that is the image that you're called to be. I am calling you today to a higher level of discovering yourself, just as how I had discovered myself. And that happens when you seriously consider the whole aspect of transformation of life. And transformation of life is not about, changing a few habits here and there. Transformation happens by the renewing of your mind. When you begin to renew your mind to come to that transformation of that image who you are originally made to be, that is the time you begin to discover yourself and you realize yourself of who you originally are made to be and how are you supposed to be living. So don't settle for this false dichotomy or this false illusion that this is how I am and that's how I am, accept me the way I am. No. How you are today, you have been conformed to that image. You are not originally what you are today. So you need to transform yourself. Transform yourself into the image of who you originally are. You are originally made to be successful, happy, joyful, peaceful. Maybe some of you are struggling to forgive. That's not your original self. Maybe maybe you're getting angry or you're frustrated. That's not how you originally are made to be. You have been conformed to that image by the way you have been thinking. And transformation is all about how do you renew your mind. You renew your thinking to the image that you were originally made to be. I went through that process a few months back, and one of the ways you can move towards this journey of transformation, I have realized about myself, is about asking yourself questions. Ask yourself deep questions. Ask yourself questions that make you feel uncomfortable. Ask yourself questions for which you are looking out for answers. And trust me, the answers are within you. Ask yourself questions. Be willing to go through that journey, through that process of asking yourself some very, very serious questions, some very, very deep questions, some very, very profound questions, and some very, very unpleasant questions. When you start asking yourself questions, why, how, when, which, when you start asking yourself questions and you are honest about answering those questions, because it's just between you, nobody else, just between you. And when you go deep inside and you dig deep inside your soul to ask yourself those questions and to find the answers, you get your breakthroughs and you start going through the process of transformation. Transforming not to change your habits, but more deeper than that, transforming yourself towards being the original person that you are meant to be. What you are today is not what you are originally. What you are originally meant to be is far more deeper than what you are believing and thinking about yourself. Move towards your transformation. Go towards your transformation, because when you learn to transform, when you recognize what you have been conformed to, and when you recognize that I need to move towards the transformation of becoming the original person that I am meant to be, when you go through that process of transformation, you then will find freedom of who you are. Then you start behaving in a different way. You start thinking in a different way. Renewing of the mind leads to transformation. When you learn the science or the art of how you renew your mind. You're not renewing your mind to become a better person. I'm repeating myself again. You're renewing your mind. You want to move towards the transformation of your life, to become the original person that you are always created to be and you are always meant to be. So I hope, thanks for allowing me to share my thoughts with you. I trust that it would benefit to you. Move towards your transformation, ladies and gentlemen, and don't settle for anything less than transforming your life to the original person that you were called to be. The original person that you were called to be is a person who is loving, who is forgiving, who is happy, who is joyful, who is reaching out, who is touching hearts, who is happy, who is successful, who is having good relationships as an individual. That's what you are original to be. So happy transformation and wish you all the best. If at all you want to ask me questions, I want to just put this down today. If you want to ask me any questions or you want to connect with me, please feel free to connect on my link or get in touch with me on my WhatsApp number. God bless. Have a lovely day.